Can we please have a moment of truth? For soldiers and troops away with helmets and boots, and families back home that pray they make it home safe, hoping they don't get hit by a stray or missiles. This is just a moment to let y'all all know that we miss you, mommy. I'm still here, wishing I was there with you. Let's take a moment.
Comes and night falls, for the rest of our lives we'll miss y'all. And even though life must go on, we still mourn while wishing y'all were home.
The guardian as recruits, they left their homes, their families, their comfort zone to serve the land. In rain they march, in thunderstorm they strike. Respect to the fallen soldiers. Never to see their unborn child, never to see their mama who gave them life, never to see their loved ones, never to see their old selves. Peace to the fallen soldiers. While we run, they stand to fight. While we eat their right.